Hello guys, I want to show you plugins I created. Uh, One of the inventory system, other one is the cover system. It will works with the state manager as like parkour system. Also I have simple interaction system to pick the store the item with inventory system. For now, just taking the item. There is no pickup montage or just something, but I will add later. Let's show you how to install these plugins. First, I create new default game animation sample project. If you don't want to use uh, from scratch, you can use your already created game animation sample project. If you have plugins folder, you don't have to create plugins folder. But if you don't have the plugins folder, you have to create plugins folder. After create this folder, open the plugins and copy all of them here. After that, open the project and wait. For now, this inventory system and cover system is not working with the parkour system, but it will be works with together later. For now, just need a time. After open the project, click the update button and dismiss button. We need change two blueprints, one of the sandbox character, other one's the animation blueprint sandbox character. After open this animation blueprint, go anim graft, delete this part, we don't need anymore. It will be to inside our liquid graft. After that, let's make this space after the default slot, call linked graft, and add my screen is freeze. Let me check. Yeah, overlay graft. Okay. After add the overlay graft, add tag here. This part is important. If you don't have this tag, you can reach this anim instance from the other components. Name is the overlay, like that. It looks like here. After do that, go root rotation mode, add curve value condition. If we have offset block curve value is greater than 0, or our slot is active, we will release this rotation mode, otherwise it will be accumulate. Now this part is okay, but we will turn here later. Go sandbox character blueprint, create space here, but first add components. First one is state manager. This will be imported. Other one is interaction. It will be catch our actors. Other one will be inventory, and other one is cover system. If you don't want to use the cover system, you don't have to add, but if you want to use cover system or inventory system, you you have to add to state manager. This interaction system is optional. You can store the item with different way. Mm, this is just storing the item for us. Uh, Actually, not storing. It's just catch the item, and after that we will we will store the item, catched item with inventory system. After event begin play, call BBC inventory and set initialize function. This part is important because we are defining the body mesh and creating the equip slots, something else. For now, we don't have the child mesh, we have just parent mesh. If you have the child mesh, we will use the child mesh. For now, we will use the parent mesh like that. After that, go event tick, and we need to fit our set movement values with our input action move values. Input, let me show input action move. This one, yeah. If the input action move values change, this will be fit directly. And go move section. If we are covering or doing something states, we won't use this part, so we need branch here. Can move normal, can grant move normal branch. It will be use. If true, it will be use this part. Otherwise, we will use the our system inside the state manager. Go. Let's change something. We won't use the crash system. We will use our crash system inside state manager. Call set once crouch. Yeah, this one. Other one is we don't want to use the strafe. I will set as default false and unbound. I don't want to use this button here. Let me also change the aim. We don't want to use the aim. We will use inside state managers to set once aim like that. Okay. Bind with the action value if it is true, once aim true, false, once aim false. Now we need to add some keyboards. Let's add one of the pickup for pickup item K. We will pick up item with store item mode. But which item will be stored? Interaction system for that. It will be find the closest actor for us. If you have different scan mechanic, you can use that. But if you don't have, you can use this one. It will be find our closest actor. Okay. Next steps, changing weapon buttons. 1 keyboard, 2 keyboard, 3 keyboard, 4 keyboard. We can holster 4 weapon at the same time. By the way, if you have more weapon, it will be go backpack. Let's change. Nah, this wrong. Inventory. Changing weapon from slot. Okay. Let's add here, here, here. If to press 4, slot will be 4, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1 and 2 for primary weapons, 3 and 4 for secondary weapons like handgun and revolver. Okay, after that we need left mouse button for attack. Go state manager, set once attack. If to press it, it will be true. If release it, once attack false. Now we need reload button, arcade board, if yeah, here. This will be inside the inventory. Reload, weapon network. Okay. Also, it will be works multiplayer. I'm not test yet completely, but probably it will works. Okay. Next step. Left R and one button. I miss. Yeah, cover. Important one. Yeah, go called CoverSystem and find cover wall. Q keyboard. You can check with the tick, but it will be highly cost. I'm just checking with the just button. Okay. Now this event graph parts. Okay. Next step, we will change the camera asset. This is not working with left aim side, right aim side. Our system, it will be like that. If we are covering from left side, when we aim from the left side, camera will be go to left. So to do that, we have to change something. So we will do that for you. Okay. Next step, go to update movements. Here, we don't want to change the gate if the character doesn't allow to move normal. Can grant move. Okay. Also change rotation, like here. We don't want to use this rotation settings if the R curve offset greater than 0. I want to use this one is R curve offset is 0. Curve value. It won't come up. Call get anim instance. Anim instance here. Curve value offset block. I want to make sure it's same. Yeah. If is equal 0, you can do that. Otherwise, you can't use this rotation part. Now, it's ready. Let's check out. Open the plugins and go to inventory system, go blueprints, actors, and find firearms and drag the inside the word. I will add 5 firearms because I have 5 example weapon. Let's change this data asset. After that, it will be pops up the weapon. Let's change long shotgun, add pistol, revolver, and I have also SMG. Yeah, like that. This weapons created from myself. It's not great, but it is great for example. Also have rigs. Okay, let's try. Go inside. When I press the F button, uh, weapon came here, and the aim came here. Character also crouching, reloading. There's no problem. Okay. Also changing the weapon, but some problem here. When we are doing the montage, also the parkour character won't be. It will be stuck because we have to change layers. So go here and change our layer. Go on slot and add group. I will give as layer here. Actually, not here. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, actually, we can use that. No problem. So I will change all the slots here. Slots, layer, layer, layer. Because when we are do some climb or something different montage, try to change weapon, we can't change. But if you want to change weapon when we are trying to cover or trying to jump somewhere, we can. Now, let's try. You can see that. Okay, no problem. Let's try other weapons. I take one weapon, two weapon. When I try to new primary weapon, we don't have holster. It will be go backpack first one. You can see that. Equip with one, it will be go. If you don't equip with one, you will go first slot to go to backpack. Let's add other two weapon. You can see that we can pick up four weapon, and there is individual change montage. Now let's use the cover system. So to do that, we can use this wall. We can cover when we press the Q button. We need to add the spline here. Go to cover system, go blueprint actor and cover actor. You can see that. Let's change the rotation here. Okay, okay. Go here, click this one, and you can expand like that. Okay. Also, I want to add one more here. Let's here turn. Sorry, my bad. Outline curve. I can't change. Yeah, sorry. Okay. I change 90-degree. I push here. Maybe let's try if it is okay. I think go click here, expand this part. Important part, this wall, it is the high wall, so we have to change some settings inside the detail panel. Where is that? I'm not sure. Visible, not one. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Click the cover wall actor. You can see that the high cover variable. If this is true, it will be go high. Let's go. Try to Q. It will be cover position. You can see that it's covering. For now, it is taking aim when we are the unarmed, but it will be fixed later. Let me show you. There is all weapon for overlay pose. You can aim like that. If you are back, you can do that. Okay, you can see that. Also, you can cover like that. You can also aim, reload, and you can press the back button. You can release the cover. Also, when we are aiming, you can press the buttons, both buttons. You can release the aim. Okay. Also, you can aim with other weapons. Like that. So one problem here, you can see that character will be turned and we are go left side. So we can change with we have mirror item. Where is the mirror? Yeah, this one. We can change this one. If the mirrored motion uncheck, it will be fixed. Sorry, I got crashed. Let's open up again. Okay, let's check if it is the change. Okay, it's compiling, close all of them, go check the left side, character doesn't turn, now back. Okay, so that's it guys, see you next time.